This is a video preview of a property in the Granite Dells Subdivision in Prescott, Arizona. We go up the driveway. Lovely porch. And we make our way into the home. Great entrance, lots of light coming in right away. Office. Lovely, cozy living room area. Sliding glass doors to the backyard. Leads us to the kitchen. Big island pantry. New appliances. A dining area surrounded by windows. Here you'll find the primary suite. Into the primary suite, we find ourselves into the primary restroom. Bathtub, 2 sinks, potty closet, shower, huge walk-in closet, that connects you to the laundry room. So the laundry room connects to your walk-in closet, which also leads us to the garage. Here we have a nice guest room. Hall restroom, the shower. Here we have another guest room up front. Front window looking out. Guest restroom. Which leads us to the backyard. Lots of room for hosting, backyard events. Beautiful views. And that's it.